On this next video, we're going to construct a triangle with one side and two angles given. Now we've done it already using the ruler and the compass, but we're going to do it now. But what are we going to use? We're going to use the ruler and the protractor. So we're not going to construct the angles. We're going to draw the angles using the protractor, right? The protractor here and the ruler. So for this one, we're not going to use the compass, right? So when you get the questions, read carefully so that you will use what the question actually asks you to use, okay? So here we go. First of all, we're going to draw the side given. Of course, you need a side to start with if you're constructing anything at all, right? So I'm going to draw the side that was given, and that side should be 9.4 centimeters long. So of course, when you're drawing in a line, you start at 0. Now again, my ruler is in millimeters, so that's 9 cm, right? 0.4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.4, stop right there. So that's my line LM, right? L is here, M is here, and my line is 9.4 cm long. So label as I go along, as I keep saying. Right, now we need at L, let me see, at L we need a 40-degree angle. You can't construct a 40 using the compass, right? So of course that's what the question actually told you, to use your protractor. So we're going to measure a 40-degree angle from L, alright? Let me see if we can get a bit closer. Okay, I'm going to use that. So 40 degrees right here. So put a dot on the 40, right? There's a dot on the 40, it's the inner one. Okay, I think I put two wasted dots there. Well, yeah, this is the inside one. And then you're going to use your ruler to draw the line that will complete that 40-degree angle, alright? So take your ruler, line it up with that dot, right? And the beginning of your line, or the side of the line from which you want that angle, okay? And then I'm going to draw, but this line I'm going to draw it long. Somewhere on this line is the next vertex of my triangle. I'm not sure where, right? But I'm going to find it by drawing the line from the other side, right? On this side of my line now, I want, let's look at the question and see what it says. And the angle at M is 55 degrees, so I want a 55-degree angle from this side of the line. Now, where's 55? Of course, I'm going to have to start, and I have to use the outside numbers now because of the 0 that I'm lined up with is on the outside here. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, right in the middle of 50 and 60, so that's 55. This is the second dot, this one here, right? Again, I made the other dot by mistake. So I'm going to take my ruler, line it up with that dot. I'm going to draw my line. That looks like 55, right? You can draw the line longer than you need to, alright? So there you have it. So right at this intersection is my next point, which is N. That's my next vertex, right? So I'm going to label it N. And that is my triangle. Of course, I'm going to label the angles. This angle is 40 degrees. And this angle here was 55 degrees, right? So label them. And there we have it. Right, we constructed a triangle, this time not using the compass, this time using the protractor and the ruler. As the question says, using ruler and protractor, right? So you need to do this a few times, right? This is actually easier than constructing with a compass, okay? Because all you're doing is measuring these angles, so this shouldn't be that difficult for you to get, but still putting some practice.